How many liters of water must be added to 1125 liters of a 45% acid solution to create a new mixture with an acid content between 25% and 30%? Okay, let us begin. So first we'll suppose that X liters of water has been added to the mixture. So this means that the volume of the total mixture is going to be equals to 1125 plus X. Now, what is the total acid contained in this mixture? So we're going to consider the 45% of the original liter. So that's 45% of 1125 liters. Now, after X liters of water has been added, then the resulting mixture is going to have acid content more than 25%, but it's going to be less than 30%. In other words, we are saying that 25% of the mixture, which is 1125 plus X, this amount of acid content is always going to be lesser than the 45% of the original acid content in 125 liters of water. So let's solve for that. So here we have 25 over 100 of 1125 plus X. This is going to be less than 45% of 1125 will be 45 over 100 times 1125. Now let's solve for this. So this is going to give us 25 multiplied to 1125 added to X. That is going to be less than 45 multiplied to 1125. Now 25 times 1125, so that's going to be 28,125 plus 25X. That is going to be less than 45 times 1125 is going to be 50,625. So here, solving for X, so we have 25X. This is going to be less than 22,500. So dividing both sides with 25 gives us X less than 900. So this is one condition. And the other condition is that the solution is going to be less than 30% of the original content. So that means 45% of the original water, it's going to be less than 30% of the mixture. 30% of 1125 plus X. So we have 45 times 1125 is going to be less than 30 times 1125 plus X. So 45 times 1125, that's going to be 50,625. This is going to be less than 30 multiplied to 1125, that's going to be 33,750 plus 30x. In other words, we have 30x is going to be greater than 16,875. So dividing both sides with 30 gives us x greater than 562.5. So that means when you combine the two inequalities, we get the values of x lying between 562.5 and 900. So we are saying that the amount of water that has been added is going to be more than 562.5 liters, but it's going to be less than 900 liters.